Hello Knights and welcome to Module 6, Day 1, May 11th, Literacy Classwork. Your objective today is that you will be able to begin comparing and contrasting the similarities and differences between the 1918 flu pandemic and our current pandemic of COVID-19 by reading and analyzing excerpts from a collection of resources, including photographs, graphs, charts, and excerpts from articles. For your Do Now, you are asked to take a look at two different posters. One is from the current day, recently released to help people combat the spread of germs, and the other was released in 1918 to give people information about the influenza pandemic. For the Do Now, please look at each poster closely and then consider what similarities do you see between them. As a reminder, anytime that you see this gold star on a slide, there's something that you need to complete, whether it's multiple choice, drag and drop, writing, or adding annotations. When you're done with the Do Now, you have some vocabulary words as well as practice to learn these words. The two words that you're going to be focusing on today are pandemic and outbreak. After you read those definitions, please take a look at this map and decide, does this map demonstrate an outbreak or a pandemic based on the information that you learned about these words in the previous slide? Then, please drag and drop items into this Venn diagram, further deepening your knowledge of those vocabulary words. When you are finished with the vocabulary practice for today, you will be spending the rest of the lesson reading to compare and contrast. Many of us have already highlighted and talked about comparisons and similarities we're seeing between these two pandemics, whether that's having to wear face masks, social distance, quarantine, or the closure of schools and businesses. However, there are also contrasting differences between these two pandemics. No pandemic is exactly the same. On these next few slides, there are volume icons. If you click them, directions and texts will be read aloud to you. Please watch out for this gold star. Again, that is an indication to you that you have a question to answer, something to write, a multiple choice, drag and drop, or annotations to add. When you finish those slides with questions and texts, there is no mastery check today. If you finish early, please review your work for quality and completion. As always, you can message Mrs. LaPaglia or Miss Durr if you need help or if you have any questions. Have a great day, Knights.